on a mission to create 10,000 exporters by 2025. India has a huge potential in the global business, and yes, world is the opportunity for us. But in spite of knowledge and awareness, people are lacking to start their export businesses. Considering this problem in the market, Global Fortune has developed a unique platform to support people, to help them to become them as an exporter and start their export journey. By way of training, consultancy, handholding, creating global network and platform, sourcing, knowledge bank, expertise people, and yes, by any way, we are helping them to start their global businesses. Our major focus area is rural, tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities, women, students, farmers, startups, businesses, and yes, underprivileged area. But the focus selection criteria for the people is that they are willing to start their export business, and the way they want to contribute in the Indian economy for the wealth creation and the employment generation. So Global Fortune is a key solution partner for such people that they want to build up themselves as an exporter. So that is our small contribution to Indian economy, that we as a company, we are creating employment generation, and yes, we are helping people to create employment, and yes, to boost Indian economy by way of increasing the export business. We want your help to achieve our mission to create 10,000 exporters by 2025. Thank you so much for giving us opportunity to present in front of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.